Foster here, Foster Family Chiropractic and Associates. I'm going to do our final video in our Free from Physical Stress workshop series. I'm going to talk a little bit about the clam shell exercise, and it's a great exercise. It kind of hurts, but the point of it is that it strengthens a muscle in your butt called your glute medius. Your glute medius is important. It is a huge hip stabilizer, and it's also really important because it joins together with another small muscle called your TFL, and together they form a band that goes all the way down the outside of your leg down towards your knee. So if this muscle isn't firing properly, quite often you will end up with not only lower back discomfort and hip pain, but you can also have knee pain. And it creates a lot of strength, so it's important. This is the best way to do it. So bear with me, it's kind of complicated. What you want to do is you want to lie on your side, and your upper body all the way down wants to be very straight. So one long linear plane. So what you do is you put your legs out on a 45-degree angle, and you make sure that your ankles are right underneath your hips, okay? So follow me. What you want to do, keep your feet together. You want to lift your legs up like this so that your feet are off the ground, your knees are on the ground. And then all you want to do is lift your upper leg like this. So when you come up like this, you want to make sure that your toes are apart and your ankles are together. This kind of diamond shape here is the beginning part of the exercise. And all you do is you go down with the upper leg and up. And when you go up and down, you want to squeeze your butt, okay? So squeeze, 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 squeeze. Now at first, you may find that this doesn't feel like much, but you will find very quickly that it really starts to. And this muscle will most respond to very high repetitions. So you may do 60, 70, 80 repetitions depending on how far you are along in this process. So no point just flapping your leg around. What you want to do is you want to do it with intention. So when you go down, press your knees together for a second and then squeeze up and then back down and squeeze up. Okay, so just make sure your feet are apart like this, and all you're doing is moving this upper leg rather. And you will also feel right here that this is where the muscle is working. So you may do 20 repetitions, and then you may do 10 small repetitions, and then you may go back into 20 more repetitions, 10 small repetitions, and so on. By the time you are done, I don't want you to stop until you feel the hugest burn that's happening in the side of your butt. And when you've done that, you know you've done your job. Flip over and do the other side. So you might want to do that 2 or 3 times a week. It should only take you 10 minutes or so. Fantastic exercise, and it will go a long way to really improving the core and stability. Okay? Thanks.